Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for coming, and once again, hit that like and subscribe button if this is your first time joining me. Today I'll be showing you all how I wax my own eyebrows in 5 simple steps to basically achieve like the perfect arch, to control the width and the shape. And you're gonna just need wax, end strips, and wooden applicators. So you're gonna fold the end strips in half, and you're gonna use those basically to get the hairs off, as if you would like the wax strip papers. I don't buy those. They're not worth the money to me. So you brush your eyebrows up, and then I always start off on the outer edge of my eyes to form the arch. Right, and I take this and I'm going to do this in 4 simple sections. Right, when you take it in sections, it's much easier to control the wax and exactly how much hair you're taking off. And if you do make a mistake, it's much easier to just wipe that little piece of wax off instead of a whole big strip. Normally when you go to the Asian people or the nail salon, they do one long strip, and sometimes that's why your eyebrows come out looking so straight and not natural with a natural curve. So when you go to the top, you're gonna brush your eyebrows going down. This prevents you from losing the thickness because my eyebrows are kind of thin. So you're gonna brush it down because you're just cleaning it up. Really, you want to leave the thickness of your eyebrow as much as possible. So I do one straight line, put the end paper on, press it down, and then rip it off in the opposite direction. So if the wax is going from your nose to your ear, when you rip the end paper off, you're going from your ear then back over to your nose to give the cleanest line that you could get from your eyebrows. So I did the first eyebrow already. I'm just trying to make sure that they're kind of the same. So that was it. My eyebrow is done. Now I can clean up the middle. I try not to take too much off in the middle because I don't want them to look too separated. Of course, I'm going to go back later on when I put my makeup on and fill them in just lightly with a pencil. But basically that's it. So you're just going to take your eyebrow in 4 sections, and then you're going to do the middle, the bridge, and then that's it. I've been doing my eyebrows this way for about almost 10 years now, and I've had very, very minimal mess ups and hiccups and issues. So again, thanks, and see you later.